just trying to...
Take the next right onto Oka Lane, then turn left.
Ah, here you go.
It's not that.
Alrighty, we're here in Reef Hotel. Thanks, Pops.
Yo, Reef Hotel.
Hi, yo. There's Sabi here. Hi, Sabi. You manage okay? Sab?
I wanted to
The road
spend
trip?
like $50.
Bauxite? Or is it iron ore?
Bauxite, I think. Bauxite and gas.
Okay.
Curtis Island, I think they've got gas.
Uh-huh.
And this is bauxite.
So where are we heading now? Where are we going?
And I don't know what that is. That might be a power station, I'm not sure.
Around there?
Or it might be where they
Look like a refinery with those...
refine the bauxite, I don't know.
do you want to... There's a... Oh, it's just the water is just right there.
Yeah. Sabby wants to go up this way because there's shops.
Hi guys, we're here in Gladstone. Just going to swing my camera the other way because there's a old Gladstone post office just across here in the accommodation where we're staying. They also have a gaming area here. What are you two doing?
Romeo!
Hui! Oh my god! Apartment.
Nice apartment. Hi folks, we're at Gladstone Port. This is where you come in if you're a sailor, and this is where you put your boat in. There's a boat ramp near the yacht club, sailing club.
That's beautiful cloud there, right? Is that a yacht club in there?
Yeah.
Right? It's a yacht club. That's beautiful cloud we got. There's a bridge. I wonder where's that going? The bridge. There's an island.
There's a marina over there, and there's also other buildings over there. And see the masts through there?
Yeah, so that's the marina.
That's where I pulled up the marina. See all the flying foxes in the mangroves?
Oh no!
Not often you see flying foxes in the mangroves.
Yeah, I can't see here in the camera. But oh, Sabi's here. I thought you were talking about flying foxes just sitting in here.
No, that's a flying wombat.
Flying wombat.
Climb on top. Good app.
We a bit tired from traveling, so we will just try to take video and photo as much as we can. And tonight is a full moon. I think it's a full moon. Just look at that beautiful moon in there. And of course we have a few clouds around.
Mom, wala lagi na ipotay.
So we found something. This is like the Esplanade. It's like an esplanade, like King's Esplanade. Tuya. Okay. Turn.
No, you sit first. You sit first.
No, I'm videoing.
No, come on.
I'm videoing.
So you after me, you have.
Okay.
Promise?
Yeah.
Go.
So that's the marina in there. But
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you see all the masts.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's
And that's where it's a coal. I've seen a sign in there. It's
yeah,
coal.
yeah, coal and
Export.
bauxite and lots of other stuff. Gas they export out of here.
Mhm.
But this is
That's,
all new. This is all flash and new. It's
You wasn't here when
spending-
you came here.
no, they're spending a bit of money here in Gladstone.
I like
How about this one?
Hey, you want to go?
Just sit down. Are you sure? Sit down. Don't get dizzy. Uh-oh, poor Papa. Looking up far away. Oh no. They have a water fountain.
Go and get wet, Sabby.
Fun. Oh look.
Looks like there's a walking track all the way around there.
Ah,
Keep going.
go and have a look. Up and Sabi. Go closer. Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful sunset.
Hi guys, because of COVID restrictions, you're not allowed to go on board the SS Minnow Gladstone. So we're just looking at it from the outside.
Oh my God.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
Ah, I can see now the mining in the island. See?
We can see
Gas.
it too.
Look at this island. I could have worked over there with ESS,
Uh-huh.
because ESS is a service provider over there. It's the old.
Oh, Sabi spot this one.
It's gypsum. That's what they're sending out there is gypsum.
What's that?
That's gypsum on there.
What's gypsum?
Well, Google it, look it up.
I should have a look what's gypsum. No wonder I was wondering it's white. Ah. What do they make? What's that?
Well, they put gypsum in cement, make cement.
Uh-huh.
Site.
Conveyors and hooper. That's white.
Yeah.
Is that sand? Or
Calcite.
that's just the one there, calcite.
Calcite.
Ah,
If you
calcite
want to know
product.
what calcite is and what they use it for, you'll have to Google it because I don't.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.